Who is this copycat pretending to be Moriarty? Finally, a problem worthy of my brain.
This birthday cake is delicious. Did you get a chance to try it?
No, there was a corpse in it.
Watson? Oh, my goodness.
Finders keepers. Are you sure you wouldn't rather wait out here?
The last time you were in the morgue, you...
Watson, I am a man of stout constitution.
Yes, of course. I just thought after the last time it was the... And the...
Merely a bout of stomach influenza.
Yes, but the time before that.
Bad clams.
And before that.
I shook hands with a prostitute.
Yes.
No, put that away. I'm not some vaporous, giggling, fainting maiden who... Oh, ye of little...
It's nothing to be ashamed of. I think I'm starting to feel a bit...
I wouldn't... Are you...
No, I'm fine. I'm fine.
If you start to feel sick, then I'll start to feel... Surely I must be done. Next to impossible to still... All done.
Yes, there.
Oh.
Would you like some water?
Did you say water?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Shall we begin the autopsy?
Oh, thank goodness these cleaning women are here to clean up this dreadful mess someone's made sick.
Oh.
My dear Watson, these women are far too well dressed to be cleaning women. They're here to identify their well-to-do husbands' bodies. Sorry for your loss.
Thank you, but I am the doctor.
Look, Watson, grief has scrambled her brain. She thinks she's a doctor. Fortunately, miss, there's a real doctor here who may help you.
Would you like some heroin?
Dr. Watson, I presume. And you must be Sherlock Holmes. Dr. Grace Hart of Boston.
A woman doctor? What times we live in.
Yes. In America, we are much more progressive. I now make 30 cents for every dollar a man earns.
What does doctor mean in America?
It means doctor.
You're Dr. G. Hart of Boston.
Yes.
Holmes, we're in the presence of a pioneer. Dr. Hart's work with the use of electroshock therapy to cure female hysteria is groundbreaking.
Well, yes, I prove the higher the voltage, the more demons are released.
Well, of course.
Some of my patients live as long as a week.
Doctor, spelled D-O-C-T-O-R.
Yes. This is my aide, Millicent. She's very shy, but a wonderful traveling companion.
Shall we proceed to the examination?
Please.
Our cadaver awaits. No. Yeah.
Mr. Holmes, you look rather unwell. Perhaps you would rather stay here and keep Millicent company.
Sherlock Holmes, charmed to meet you.
Millicent is the subject of my research. She was raised by feral cats. She has the mental capacity of a 4-year-old, but it is my belief that with sufficient electroshock therapy, she can achieve the intellect of a 6-year-old.
We are truly in the golden age of medicine. There's nothing left to learn.
No.
What a creature you are. But devouring that onion with such passion. Strangely arousing.
Dr. Watson, I have always been taken by your unwavering devotion to Mr. Holmes. But haven't you ever considered something more? Perhaps a co-detective?
He and I? Co-detectives?
Yes.
Oh, the very idea. Solving crimes together? Laughing and enjoying the esprit de corps of two best friends pursuing a noble cause. Madness. No, not I. Not here. Not even in my most rapturous moments of private fantasy. Anyway, let's go clean this cake-covered bastard, shall we? The wonders of modern medicine. Now, you're going to laugh, but I found the most important tool of an autopsy is...
Music.
Yes.
You too?
This one always gets me in the mood. So begins the dance.
We have some dribble. Just a touch of dribble, right?
There is something so sensual about forensic autopsy, isn't there?
You are a delight. Your eyes say more than words ever could. A tincture of ammonia and scrotum.
Hello, Inspector Lestrade.
We have combed the manifests of every ship to set sail for the Americas and found not a single Moriarty.
Moriarty's too cunning to use his own name. He's sailing under an alias.
So, after a thorough...
Very thorough.
Stop.
No, because...
examination of the body, and I must say, Dr. Hart made some beautiful lateral incisions there.
No, watching you flay the skin from his face so gently.
I would flay 1,000 faces for you.
Just tell me what you found!
Yes, cause of death indeterminate.
Indeterminate? What do you mean?
It means he doesn't know. Proceed, Watson.
Yes. We found a freshly applied tattoo of a cross and the numbers 1 and 20.
I have the oddest feeling. It's like knowing, but the opposite.
Meaning you haven't a clue.
Who is this genius pretender who's taken Moriarty's place? Committing crimes exactly the way he would.